also Mr. Abhishek Jagni from BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Abhishek Jagni, good afternoon. Welcome to the show. And clearly, of course, turmeric board has been a long pending issue in Telangana, and now it's gone to Tamil Nadu. We saw how Chief Minister's daughter, Kalvakuntla Kavitha, lost her seat to BJP Arvind Dharmapuri. He became MP there just because of the promise of turmeric board. Today, that promise is still not fulfilled.
It would be a wrong statement or factually wrong statement to say that the promise has not been fulfilled. Turmeric, which is a spice, is largely grown in Telangana. Almost 30% of the crop growth is from Telangana, and over 1,37,000 acres of farms in farm and field in Telangana produce turmeric. But also Telangana has mirchi and other crops. Instead of having one board each and creating too much of bureaucracy, we believe in minimum government and maximum governance. It is not just a turmeric, but 49 other spices also can be sold through the board. But it doesn't mean that turmeric is deprived of it. It only means turmeric plus 49. We cannot write 50 names of 50 spices on the board. So it is only a play of words if anybody is trying to resort to say that spice board is in any way less than turmeric board. It is in fact more. You can get all the benefits of turmeric board.
But Mr. Jagni,
and in addition,
Mr. Jagni, if you saw how TRS leaders have been reacting in the past, from the time you said there won't be any turmeric board, trying to explain it to farmers, saying that it is part of spice board because there's a promissory note that has been given by Mr. Arvind Dharmapuri. Obviously, they're looking for a turmeric board, not making turmeric as part of the spice board. It's not the same, right?
Is there any service that they cannot avail from this board just by changing a name? Earlier this institution didn't exist. What we need to understand here is, for God's sake, we need to get over politics of playing with words. This is a regional office come an extension center which works directly with the Union Minister's office. This is a much more empowered institution than the turmeric board. First thing, they want a turmeric board or they want the services of turmeric board. Going and putting up a board there and writing turmeric on it doesn't cost anything to the government. But what the people need to understand here is that whoever is trying to mislead the farmers, the actual farmer on ground is happy. I have first-hand information of this. There are people from Nizamabad who have produced turmeric, the farmers, who have sold it in the Sangli and Satara market at 14,000 rupees in addition to the cost that we are able to provide here. Now the market is open. They should not resort to these cheap politics. The intention with which turmeric board has been replaced or upgraded rather with a spice board is mirchi can also be sold, turmeric can also be sold, and 48 odd spices can be sold.
But you adding it up with everything else, if you look at Nizamabad, Mr. Abhishek Jagni, I've travelled extensively in Nizamabad. Especially during the election, the 2019 election, where Arvind Dharmapuri got a great majority, that too, over Chief Minister's daughter, Kavitha Kalvakuntla itself. At that point of time, I saw what the farmers were going through. They clearly wanted a separate board. They wanted focus on turmeric because 50% of the country's export happens from Nizamabad, but they don't have any facility there. So they thought, separate board. In fact, it was a promise by Kavitha also that she failed, and then we saw how turmeric farmers they themselves stood in the election.
Is the spice board not catering to the services? Is it denying turmeric? Did it ever say that we will not take?
No, but I see on the visuals, on the screen, I see that they were burning down your Tamil Nadu manifesto where you mentioned about the turmeric board.
It's a bunch full of people. I can see it on the screen. I can see whatever the India Ahead has shared. It's only 10 or 15 people. You see, I can clearly see it here. If 10, 15 people come and you think that they represent the entire farming community, no. They are clearly trying to cover up their failures and mislead the people and the farmers of Nizamabad. Whoever is the actual, original, genuine farmer, they are able to take the benefit of the spice board. They are able to even sell their produce in the markets, adjoining state markets also at a competitive price. Why are they resorting to these cheap politics?
But Mr. Abhishek Jagni, probably one visual had about 10 people, but you know, I see a lot of messages, a lot of those people from Nizamabad actually message me saying that it is not, the promise has not been fulfilled. Promissory note,
No.
Arvind Dharmapuri,
Promise.
you know,
It
signed
has
on a
been-
promissory note. He
Revati
said he is
garu,
going to
Revati
get a
garu.
turmeric
You
board.
need to
Today you are saying it
understand
is
that
all
turmeric
spice
board
board.
is included in this board. Turmeric will be dealt with in this board.
Okay.
If they want extra crop,
You are
also can
saying
be
the
accommodated.
farmers
That
are
is the only
happy.
meaning.
Turmeric farmers are happy.
Government cannot create individual boards everywhere. We believe in minimum government, maximum governance.
You know,
And
I mean, I will not give an example
please, I
very
understand
far
your
off,
question.
but if you
Let
look
me
at
share some
Guntur,
important- Please
if you look at
kindly, permit
Guntur,
me to share some important detail.
the red
This
chili, the
board-
red chili production
this
is
board
very
has
high.
an
They have a
additional
lot of
scheme of the
support. They
central
have
government,
storage facility.
which is
They
called
have
the
a
ties
mirchi
and
yard
cluster
separately.
scheme. Revati garu, let me elaborate. Na? You have called me. Please kindly
Yes,
let me
yes,
elaborate.
please go ahead.
For
Please
the-
go ahead.
you know,
I'm waiting
the
for an
TRS is
answer on
trying
this.
The TRS is just trying to mislead people and trying to cover up their failures through this. They have made 100 odd promises which they don't even discuss in public. We here are accountable. We believe in accountability and deliverance and good governance. That is why we got a spice board. The central government, which is a visionary government under Narendra Modi's leadership, has clearly thought of
Okay.
a roadmap ahead to double the farmers' income. So here specifically, the spice board in Telangana is a regional office come an extension center. It doesn't report to any Kerala state center or the south office. It directly reports to the union minister.